So we're here to look at some chemistry, and to start off with, what we've got is a cup, got just normal water. I'm going to add a whole bunch of water to our cup here, and what we'll find is that with this cup, if we can actually take it and turn it upside down, all right, you can see that I've got a nice seal. However, if I now lift, this cup, you can see that I've got the water trapped within the cup. You might look at that and say, well, that's magic. Essentially, chemistry is magic if you don't understand it. Let's have a look at what we did there. What we've done, and I'll do it in a different container. This one you can see at the bottom, tiny bit of white solid. I then took some water, poured it in right up to the top, and within a few seconds, that water was absorbed by that really tiny amount of solid. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, that is about 99% water. Doesn't look like it's behaving like 99% water, but yeah. What we've got here is a super absorbent polymer. And you might look at that and say, well, where would I ever see a super absorbent polymer like this? Well, diaper material. That white solid that I showed you there is found inside of diaper material. I'm trying to get all of that out. And so chemistry looks at various problems, finds chemicals that'll help out in that application, and then we employ them. And of course, diaper material, $1 billion a year idea.